Okay, we're live, we're recording. Okay. Now, this one of the guys said to me this morning, he says the gearbox got a couple of issues with it. I didn't find, it just snicked straight in for me, I don't know. Obviously, when it comes to changing the corner in their first gear,
yeah.
Second.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to be going around the chicane. Wow, the clutch goes a long way.
Yeah.
Look, gents.
What?
Wobbling the car. Right.
It's in neutral, yeah. It is, yeah.
These are tiny seats.
No, not quite. Oh, old school, a bit of gas as well.
Okay.
Quite snickety.
I thought that. It was a very slick movement on that, yeah.
Oh yeah, that bites quite nicely.
There you go. Every man in his life at one stage has to drive on three wheels. You're now doing it.
Have I got a horn?
It's on that side, yeah.
Push it.
Yeah.
Clutch bite's nice. Oh, listen to the transmission noise.
It's funny, that's everything we say about here. Every man has to drive a Rolls Royce once, every man has to drive a three-wheeler once.
Oh,
So we'll definitely keep that nice and slow on these ones.
Yep. You smell that fuel, gents? Right, gotta watch out we don't tip over here, gents. No, you don't.
Can you believe these were so popular?
No.
Do you think, I know they made them up to quite late years as well, which is really surprising when you think about it.
Yeah, actually they did, didn't they?
Yeah, they just kept on going. You try and look cool as well then.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
This kind of detracts from it.
Side on view, and then hopefully they don't get a perspective. It doesn't look like you've only got one wheel at the front. Right, let's see what we put up here.
There's the imp on the way out. Snicking to third.
Yes. Oh, hello. Oh. Too used to thinking about the gearbox quite high. Wow, that first gear transmission noise. Oh, that changed right.
It feels like we're going very fast.
Yeah. Again, it's funny, isn't it? Gearbox is lovely.
I said it was. The guy this morning said it was a bit of a nightmare. I thought I didn't.
Great throttle response as well, you know. Something missing from modern cars.
It's fun.
You liking it?
Yeah.
Gonna get one of these?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could see that, gents, and then all you want me to do is roll it over. Like on Top Gear.
We wouldn't be fun.
It actually steers quite nicely as well. I mean, the steering wheel's in a ridiculous position. I mean, I'm a short guy, and look, and it's pretty much rubbing my legs.
I mean, I've got all this engine housing here. I've got to keep my feet over there, you know what I mean? Slightly ironic, but people used to do some serious distances in these, you know what I mean?
It's mad, isn't it? Well, I guess, if the weather was bad, it's better than a motorbike,
I think that's the only thing they could say. I mean, as we know, people from Doncaster and Sheffield just all died because of three-wheelers, we know this.
Yeah. Just give the brakes a bit more of a go. Yeah, that's alright. Nice to do. Transmission whine. I will slow down, I appreciate it.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, great throttle response.
Dad,
Yeah.
imagine when we went down the hill, our car flipped.
I'm trying not to imagine that.
I am trying to. That'd be fun.
I think what's weird is you're looking out because you're naturally on the road for bumps, and of course you're thinking where the corners of the wheels, the front wheels are being.
I'll miss that one.
It's And of course, if you don't hit it in the front, you'll hit it with the rears.
Absolutely. Yeah. definitely no faster than that through the chicane.
No. Right, let's do it. Come on. Can I say I've been through a chicane in a Robin Reliant? Actually, I'm quite nervous myself. Oh yeah!
And we survived. We're all alive. You're alive. We're all alive.
It's kind of fun actually, isn't it?
It is terrifying, but fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, just a funny little thing, isn't it? I just can't believe it was ever even a concept that went from drawing board onwards.
Well, you know.
The weird thing is this actually rides more comfortable than that.
Really?
The Imp is a horrible pig of a thing.
Is it really?
Absolutely. Just driving up and down here once, you get out and you think that hurts.
Blimey. Watching tape second just about. First, wow, the transmission noise.
Line from it, I know what you mean, yeah.
It'll get you around, wouldn't it? You know?
Yeah.
Had one of these now for around town. Obviously, roundabouts might be, you know.
Do you think they race these as well?
I mean, that's more for the spectators, I think.
Well, there's a place down in Burton-on-Trent and they just race these. And you
Really?
think, what the guy from Burton-on-Trent, he was with on Guy Martin on the telly in a week. And that's what this guy does, he specialises in racing Robin.
Completely getting the wheel in the bump wrong then, again. Racing Robins. You really have to think ahead about your corners, don't you?
Daddy, remember I made my car racing Robin that I beat at Beavers.
Oh yeah, you did.
Didn't I?
There you go, there comes on.
You okay, gents? Hello, you sit. Oh yeah, these bumps.
How comfortable is it in the back?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now what would you say if your mum or daddy picked you up in one of these for school?
Yay!
Well, it's one of these round near the village, isn't there, gents? I think in Seldom I see. See one of these regularly. Some still using them, driving around. It's a pensioner, but you know, it's good that they're still on the road.
Oh, I always agree with that.
When I'm older, I'm gonna get
Another loop?
Yeah, you can do another one for me, can't you? We're alright with that.
Right.
I said the old pensioner driving one, but that's the thing, if you keep driving things, they'll always work.
Yeah, well, exactly. Oh, yes. With you there. Oops, slow it down a bit, Grant. Oh, I'm going to have to use the clutch as well.
So we've got all the cars out the garage this morning. There's 37 cars back there. Every one of them started on the button first time every time this morning.
Fantastic, isn't it?
I just love that fact about being in this place, you know.
What's your favourite to drive?
Yeah, it's really hard for me to choose. Because I love all of them, believe it or not. I can tell you worst would be the Hillman Imp.
Really?
And the TR7.
Oh.
What the most surprising is I haven't lost in 1300 GT, you are.
Yeah.
That's the most surprising. The TR7 is the most surprising how bad it can be.
Really?
Yeah, I think dog.
So my dad had a Renault 4, was it, or something like that?
The 4, yeah.
And my uncle had a TR7, and they apparently, he got this TR7, was dead chuffed with it, and they drag raced it along down in Bracknell where he grew up.
Yeah.
Apparently the Renault was quicker. My uncle was most annoyed.
I could well believe it. The TR7, the whole concept of it, that, you know, rapid wedge design and all the rest of it, but engineering was terrible on them.
Why is it so
designed-
bad to drive? Is it just...
You'd never ever want at one stage. Have you ever driven an American car?
What, you mean like an old one?
Yeah.
I'm not sure that I have.
You get certain cars and you never feel that you're in control of it. It doesn't
Don't
do
know what it's
you
gonna
tell it
do,
to
yeah,
do. It's-
exactly, yeah.
You know what I mean? It's oversteer, it's understeer, it doesn't feel like the chassis and anything else is connected.
Oh, jeez. Alright, I get you. Mind you, that midget was going to be a bit like that, I can imagine.
Oh yeah.
Not sure what was happening.
Don't forget the Triumph TR7 with 20 years after the
I
midget,
know,
you
well, and
nearly.
that was the thing. Actually, it was a good contrast doing it that way. The midget to the 1300 GT.
Yeah.
Absolute chalk and cheese.
Yeah, yeah. To the Fiesta Resistance. No.
Dad,
Yes, James.
you know my favourite car?
What?
Really?
Really?
I like this one best. It's small, nice.
They're all in there.
So
Well, there you go. The only thing you've got to drive now is a Rolls Royce, unless you've already had one.
No.
So every man has to drive a three-wheeler and has to drive a roller. Two ends of the spectrum, you see.
Oh, is it? Yeah, for sure.